Hey, good morning, ladies and gents. We are going to start looking at some statistics, start looking at some charts and patterns to see what they can tell us. So, I found this really cool website. This is real data about all different counties, but I selected Orange County to begin with. Gives you some basic stats in the beginning. The population of Orange County, 3.919 million, slight decline. 12% poverty rate, median age is 38, median household income 89,000, number of employees 1.6 million, and median property value 709,000. And that's 4.4% growth from the year before. So just some basic stats about Orange County. As you can see, we can get statistics on COVID-19, the economy, health, diversity, education, and housing and living. And we can also compare Orange County to other counties. But we're going to start off a little more basic, and we are just going to be looking at Orange County. So if you scroll down a little bit, there's some more information. It tells you about Orange County, different stats that they found out. If you scroll down a little further, this is where we're going to get started here with COVID-19. So the first chart that I want you to look at is the one that loads. It's confirmed cases. And if you look, we've got California and then similar states. So if you roll on top of it, you can see this was Michigan, California, Illinois. And so what is it showing you? It tells you the date, how many cases they have, how many cases per 100,000 residents, and how many deaths they had. And then deaths per 100,000 people. So Illinois, Massachusetts, Pennsylvania. So you can see California is just right in the mix here with everybody else, right? When it comes to the number of confirmed cases. But then I want you to click and compare it to confirmed cases per capita. So per capita means, how many cases did they have based on a certain number of people that live in that state? Generally, it's the per capita number they use is per 100,000 residents. So if we compare it up to basically how many cases did we have compared to the overall population of that particular state? So if you look, California dropped down to here when you started looking at the per capita numbers. So there's Illinois, Pennsylvania, Michigan, and Massachusetts. So the same ones that we were looking at before. So I want you to describe California and the difference between the confirmed cases, where California was in the middle with everybody else, and why the confirmed cases per capita is so much lower for California than it was for these other states. So take a look at these, see what you can pull out of these charts, and write up your answers in a Google Doc and submit through Canvas. We're going to be basically mining through all of this data for the next couple of weeks. Hopefully we can find some more interesting topics other than COVID, but since that is the topic of the day, I thought it would be a good idea. All right, ladies and gents, good luck.